Hey guys, I decided it would be cool today to make a video while I unpack and assemble my new computer. It's really exciting and I just wanted to be able to share it with everybody. Alright, so here's the box that it came in. Exactly what you wanted. Guaranteed, the new way. Go ahead and open it up here. Very full box. Let's see what we got. Lots of packing. Crystal's gonna have fun popping this later. Alright, so we have my very important little wrist strap, anti-sag wrist strap. You can probably accomplish the same thing by wrapping a wire around your arm and then attaching it to the case, but that's very... No. This is like $5, so this keeps you from shorting out all your parts as you're touching them with the static that's built into your body. Let's see, I have here my processor, AMD FX Unlocked, Black Edition. This is the A350, 8 cores, so very important processor. This is my graphics card. Zotac GeForce GTX 760, DirectX 11 2 gigs, SLI and PhysX ready. This is my motherboard, M5A99X Evo R2.0. Motherboards are kind of underappreciated when it comes to really knowing different kinds and such, but very important. This is what everything else in your computer attaches to. This makes everything work together. And my power supply. This is what converts the house voltage from your plug into different kinds of voltage that are required by the different kinds of computer components that you have. I got a 620 watt. Seasonic, I had never heard of the brand before, but it had the best reviews of anything else on Newegg, so I decided to go with it. It is 80 plus bronze. It's a rating system that they have. I was reading up on it though. I was considering getting gold, which is better, but I was reading up on it, and apparently this rating system is very customer biased, and by customer it doesn't mean you, it means the person manufacturing or the company manufacturing the part. So from the resources that I read online, don't really pay much attention to this, but hey, it's cool that it's bronze rated at least. Looks like it came out of the box slightly damaged here, but this is just where someone was using a box cutter where they shouldn't have been, probably a new guy or someone that didn't care. But it's just external damage to the box, I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, and the last thing in the box, well, aside from the packing invoice, and lots and lots of bubble wrap here, is my RAM. It's going to be fun trying to get this undone here. Ripjaw G-Skill. This is 2 sticks of 8 gig, so it's 16 gigs total. The motherboard that I got can support up to 4 of these, so if I ever wanted to, I could upgrade to 32 gigs. So I was looking at the packing here, and I noticed that this right here is my Watch Dogs voucher, I guess, for the free game that came with the graphics card. Most graphics cards promotionally come with some sort of free game, whatever the latest, hottest thing out at the time is. And also my Quicksilver for getting rid of the air pockets that are between the processor and the motherboard to prevent improper heat transfer. Unfortunately, they taped this to this, so if I were to rip this off, it would mess up my packing list, but I guess that's not a huge deal. But so you guys can kind of see my packing list here. There's the game, my motherboard, This is the graphics card. What is this? Can't really see. Oh, that's the power supply. My processor, my memory, my thermopaste, my Quicksilver I was talking about. That's right here, and the anti-static wrist band to prevent me from shorting stuff out while I'm putting it in. There are, of course, other parts that are necessary for a computer, but this is my old system that I gutted, and there are a number of things that you cannot reuse as long as they're functioning properly when you're upgrading a computer, namely the case. I will be changing this case out, I believe, at some point, and save up some money to get something really nice. But this one served me well, so I figured I would reuse it. Got the CD DVD drives in there. I've got my hard drive. I'm going to temporarily keep using this regular hard drive that I've got. Eventually, though, I want to install a solid-state drive to boot programs and such off of, and just use the regular hard drive for storage. You can see there's a whole bunch of cables and things that go into this, and that's not even half of them. So I'll go ahead and get everything out, start putting it together, and I'll keep you guys updated.